So I was taking a look at the report for Sagicor Select Funds, specifically Sagicor Select Funds Financial. That would be the ticker Select F on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. And I noticed that on page 3, they have the top 10 performers for the first quarter of 2023, both on the JSE Combined Index as well as the financial companies too. I noticed that on the combined index, quite a few companies actually did pretty good. So we have RPL, they returned 53.46%, ISP 46.8%, Knutsford Express 37.68%, and etc. So a lot of companies, if you had invested in them at the start of the quarter, you'd be up quite a bit of money right now. So for example, in RPL, which I know is a recent IPO, they're up 53.46%. So if you had invested in $100,000, you would have around $153,000 right now. So they're actually up quite a bit. So, it's interesting to see stocks performing well, especially in the circumstances we're in right now with how the stock exchange has been performing for some time. But this just goes to show that even in bad situations, there are a lot of opportunities to invest and make money. I'm sure that the interest rate that you'd get from a savings account is nowhere close to the returns on these stocks. Even on the lower end, with GenAc returning 13.38%, I think that is, you would still be making a lot more money than if you had all your money in the savings account. Even for the financial companies over here that returned smaller amounts, they're still all higher than the interest rates that you'd probably get from your savings account. And it just goes to show, even with the stock market being down, even with all the negative externalities and other things impacting the market, you can still make a lot of money from investing in stocks right now. You just have to do the research, take the time out to understand the company and their financials and where they can possibly go in the future. Follow the Jamaican Investor for more investment tips and tricks, as well as more information and knowledge. Thanks again for the support. I really do appreciate it.